Hello, and welcome to the third episode of my Nissan Leaf journey. So, you might remember from the last episode that I placed an order for a 2.0, the black 2.0. That's going to be arriving at the end of February, hopefully. And since then, for most of December, most of January, not a lot's happened. But in the last week or so, the Nissan dealer has put me in touch with PodPoint. So PodPoint initially quoted 10 working days to come out and install a charging unit on the house. They've actually managed to do significantly better than that, and they will be arriving this Thursday, which is about 5 working days after they were initially put in touch with me, which is pretty impressive. I'm very pleased with the service we've received from them. They've been extremely helpful, explained everything needed to be done along the way. The charger is going to be a 7 kilowatt charger. I've opted for the tethered unit. Simply because I don't want to have to mess around with plugging the cable in, unplugging it, and getting it in and out of the boot all the time. But leave it on the charger. It wraps really neatly around the PodPoint charger, so I've got no problems. The full cost has been covered, so £500 is obviously covered by the OLEV grant. Nissan are paying the remaining £359. I've chipped in an extra £30 just to get a key lock on the charging unit, just to prevent people, driving up and stealing our electric. I think the chances of that happening are actually pretty low. But if we do find we need the lock, obviously I can start using it. It's better than having to replace the whole unit, years down the line. So yeah, they're arriving this week to settle up, and I'll try and do some filming of that. Hopefully, if the installer's okay with me doing that. And yeah, I'll show you how it all looks when it's done. So that's it for now. Stay tuned for more. It's really not going to be that long until I've got the car, although I imagine this month's going to go really, really slowly while I count down the days waiting for it to arrive. I'm super excited for it to turn up. I can't wait. Obviously, I'll be filming tons more videos showing you about the car. Anything I can think of that's interesting, obviously I'll be filming and putting up on YouTube. If you did like this video, please remember to subscribe to the channel. YouTube have recently changed the rules around channel monetization stuff. In order to continue to monetize this channel, I need to hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm currently only at 215 right now, so every subscriber counts. So if you just can click that subscribe button, that'll make a huge difference. And I will see you next time for more of my 2018 Leaf journey. Thanks for watching.